Okay, guys, nandito na si Grizzard. Thank you, nakauwi na.
The kick drum hits like a heartbeat now, and every light is a work of art. We're all connected by the sound, lost our worries from the very start. Forget the names that we used to know, just let the energy overflow. We're breaking through the ceiling tonight, living under the neon light. Let the music take you away. We're living for a brand new day. There's no tomorrow, no yesterday. The world outside just fades away. Every beat is a memory made in this beautiful bright parade.
Hello, good morning. Another GG day. So, abangan day tayo ngayon, guys. Dahil mayroon tayong fun race. So, ito yung second lap na ng JPFC. So, yung release point ay sa Abuyog. So, kung titingnan natin, guys, yung weather, napakaganda. Okay, so maganda yung weather condition natin. Syempre, yung nilaban natin ay si Grizzard. Wala dito si Grizzard. Yung nanditong Grizzle ay yung kapatid ni Grizzard. Yan. So, time check tayo. 7:36. Okay, so nirelease kanina 6:30 sa Abuyog yung mga ibon. Yan, so bali yung datingan mamayang 8:07 dito sa area namin, bali nasa 1,200 pa yung speed. Okay, so yun, update ko na lang uli kayo mamaya, guys.
30 minutes later.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, nandito na si Grizzard. Thank you, nakauwi na. Yan. Yun lang, guys. Hanggang sa susunod natin na race. Thank you, God bless. Bye.